Welcome to Bobbi Jo's. This evening I'm making chicken wings in the oven, and they do get crispy in the oven. You're going to need a baking pan, and I also use a rack. And I went ahead and sprayed my rack with cooking spray. I'm going to put aluminum foil underneath it though, so it'll be easier to clean up when my wings are done. Preheat your oven on 425 degrees. Chicken wing coating ready. 2 tablespoons of baking powder, not baking soda, make sure it's baking powder. This makes 4 pounds of chicken wings. So we're gonna have a lot of chicken wings. I'm gonna do 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. This is a half a teaspoon, so we're gonna do 2 halves to get a whole. I use halves because they fit down in the jar. Another teaspoon of smoked paprika. So that's a teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a half a teaspoon of salt. I'm using sea salt. You can use Himalayan salt, or you can use regular table salt if that's what you use. I'm gonna mix all this together, and I'm gonna go get my chicken. You want to make sure your chicken's good and dry. So I'm going to get my chicken and we're going to dry it off good. And the way I usually do this is I pour this in a Ziploc bag and I throw some chicken in there and shake it to get the chicken coated. But you can do it in a bowl if you don't have a gallon-size Ziploc bag. But you want to make sure your chicken is good and dry. So we're going to pour this in the bag here. And I always fold my bag down because when I put the chicken in there, that way I don't have to worry about it getting on that zipper. So let me go get my chicken. Okay, here's the first batch. Gonna zip it up, toss it around. Get all the chicken pieces coated. Just like that. These coated pieces I'm going to put on the rack that I sprayed down with cooking spray. I just don't have enough room over here to put everything, so this rack is over here on the other counter. Okay, and I'm going to keep doing this until all my chicken wings are coated. I got one more batch to shake here. 425 degree preheated oven, and you want to move the rack in the upper middle, so one above the middle. And we're going to turn them every 20 minutes. Until they're done. And they can take up to an hour. It just depends on the thickness and the way your oven cooks, how long they're going to take. But we're going to turn them every 20 minutes. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. We're going to flip them. Okay, we're going to flip them again. It's been 20 more minutes. Well, they may be getting close to done. Okay, y'all, I forgot to video when I took my whole pan of chicken out of the oven. I gave half of it, actually over half of it away, and I saved us some wings. I ended up just doing Asian kick sauce on it. That way we're all on the same page and I don't have to use a couple of different bowls. Anyway, I coated it in Asian kick sauce, stuck it back in the oven for 5 minutes, and now they are ready to eat. And here's a close-up. What do you think of those chicken wings?
These are good. 2 thumbs up, drool-worthy, tasty, finger looking good. Saliva jet.
You like that Asian kick sauce, don't you?
Yeah.
Well, he had one of the wings before it had sauce on it. He said it was really good without the sauce. Is it better with the sauce?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Okay, thank you for your review.
You're welcome.
Thank y'all for watching. Have a blessed day.